So for today's video we have a Kia Sportage 2013 1.7 diesel manual. It's come in for black smoke coming out the exhaust and lack of power. So scanned it, no codes, took it out for a test drive, got to the end of the road, limited to 3k, no boost. So we'll start with a common fault, which is a mass airflow sensor. Check that's working, the readings are all reading correctly. So start checking intercooler pipes, they're all good, no cracks, parishes or breaks, anything like that. So gone to the back of it on the pipe that goes into the turbo. Don't know if you can see if we can get it. So we lost the torch. So we can see with my finger. So my finger's on the vane, and that is trying to push the turbine of the turbo round, and that's seized solid. So that beauty ain't going nowhere. Needs a new turbo replaced, which we can get. We'll get that in, we'll get it done, all in a day's work for Lynch Lane. Give us a call, 789-789, or check out the YouTube channel, Facebook page for more content and videos and other diagnostics, etc. Thank you.